and today I'm going to share with you an old-time Bajan recipe. You will find this in almost every Bajan household, and we're using the avocado. Now, if there's a glut of avocados on the market, or if it is now in season and you are just longing for something tangy, this is a go-to dish. Today we're going to be making pickled avocado and cucumber salad. So let's go over the ingredients. Large cucumbers. We have one fully ripe avocado, so you know that it is ripe by touching it, and once it's soft and you can actually press it and it indents, it is ready. The juice of one lime and a pinch of salt. Our first step is to prepare the cucumber. Now I'm going to peel part of the cucumber. We're not going to peel all of it. You can use either a really sharp knife, or you can use a vegetable peeler like this one, nice and sharp. But I prefer to use a knife at this point in time. Then we're going to slice it really thinly. Now, if you have a mandolin, you can do that easily. Just be careful because it's really sharp. But if you don't, you can just practice your knife skills and cut the cucumber really thinly. Once this is done, I'll go on to the next step. Add our cucumber to a large bowl and go on for the avocado. Cut your avocado. You take your knife, you start at the very top. Once it's fully ripe, it's going to be very soft and very easy to cut. Come down to the end, and I like to just go to the top again and get almost a quarter of the avocado. And then open it. Nice. It smells good too. Now you can see this part at the top. I don't want that, so I'm going to just cut that part off. Then we're going to remove the skin. Really easy, so you can tell how ripe it is. It's going to remove really easy. Now we're going to chop it up, and we're going to add it to our cucumber, and then we're going to dress it. Now we're almost done. All we have to do now is to dress it. We're going to add our lime juice and our salt, and it's done. Our pickled avocado and cucumber salad is done, and it literally took about 5 minutes. You can make this just before you are ready to serve it. It pairs so well with any protein. You can actually just eat this by itself. Now it's time to taste. Ready? Delicious. I can absolutely eat this just by itself, like I said. When I grew up, I used to eat it just with biscuits or toast bread. Pickled avocado and cucumber salad is a hit in many Bajan households, and when you try it, it will be a hit in yours. Pickled avocado and cucumber salad, now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.